Some strange and riveting historical artifacts that will captivate your mind wholly and entirely. Historical artifacts and vintage pictures never fail to fascinate us. They are like hidden treasure of the world history. From Shakespeare's last handwritten manuscript to an 8-legged doll from the 19th century, these pictures will delight you in the most amazing way. 1. Preserved loaf of bread from Pompeii. Pompeii was an ancient city located in what is now the commune of Pompeii near Naples in Italy. Pompeii was buried under 4 to 6 meter, 13 to 20 feet, of volcanic ash and pumice in the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. 2. 12th century old bull elephant illusion sculpture in India. 3. 19th century mugshot of the man who modernized mugshots. 4. World War II crash test dummy. 5. 8-legged doll walking doll from 19th century Russia. 6. Dancing girl, Mohenjo-daro, from the Indus Valley civilization. 7. Tipu's tiger, life-sized wooden mechanical organ from 1793. 8. Snapshot of the models for American Gothic. 9. One of the 2 authentic Jolly Roger flags in existence. 10. Shakespeare's last surviving handwritten play script. 11. Hercules' armor of Holy Roman Emperor. 12. A memento mori ring on display at Norwich Castle Museum. 13. 19th century ad for medical leeches. 14. 19th century map of a woman's heart. 15. The written agreement that ended World War II, showing that Canada signed in the wrong place. 16. Hiding mother photograph from Victorian England. 17. 17th century palm reading chart. 18. Etruscan art was produced by the Etruscan civilization in central Italy between the 10th and 1st centuries BC. 19. The Antikythera Mechanism is an ancient Greek hand-powered orrery, described as the oldest example of an analog computer used to predict astronomical positions and eclipses decades in advance.